There's a drink hiding in your kitchen right now. A drink so powerful, it's been called a cure for everything except death. Simple ingredients: beetroot, carrot, and lemon.
Beetroot, carrot, and lemon. This vibrant, ruby red drink is more than refreshing. It's a daily ritual that can reset your health. In a world obsessed with complex solutions, sometimes the basics are best. This isn't about quick fixes, but about nourishing your body, one glass at a time. Each sip delivers a burst of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It's a small act of self-care that can boost your energy, mood, and food choices. The best part? Anyone can start this habit today. Let's discover why this humble juice has earned its remarkable reputation. Beetroot, carrot, and lemon have been celebrated in healing traditions for centuries. Ancient Romans used beetroot for its medicinal properties, believing it could purify the blood. Carrots, once purple and yellow, were prized in Persia and China for boosting vitality and vision. Lemons traveled from Asia to the Mediterranean, valued for preventing scurvy and aiding digestion. Across cultures, these ingredients were recognized for cleansing, strengthening, and restoring the body. Our ancestors knew their power now. Modern science is catching up. Drinking this juice connects us to that ancient wisdom.
Let's talk about what science says. Beetroot, rich in nitrates that enhance nitric oxide production, helping lower blood pressure, improve blood flow, and even boost athletic performance. Carrot, high in beta-carotene, an antioxidant that converts to vitamin A, crucial for immune system support, eye health, and cellular repair. Lemon, loaded with vitamin C and flavonoids, which combat free radicals, strengthen immunity, and help your liver detoxify. Its alkaline-forming properties balance body pH, making it harder for disease to thrive. Combining these three, you get a drink rich in antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and detoxifying compounds that cleanse your blood, support liver function, reduce inflammation, and energize your body at a cellular level.
Supporting your liver, blood, and immune system. It's a simple, powerful way to flood your body with nutrients.
Here's how you prepare it. Simple and effective. Ingredients: 1 medium-sized beetroot, raw or lightly steamed, 2 medium carrots, and 1 fresh lemon, just the juice. Blend the beetroot and carrots together with a small glass of water. Squeeze the fresh lemon juice into the mix. Stir well, and drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. For best results, take this daily for 7 to 14 days and observe the changes. More energy, better digestion, clearer skin, improved mood. You don't need complicated detox programs or expensive supplements. Sometimes, the most extraordinary remedies are hidden in ordinary places, your own kitchen. The miracle isn't in the drink alone, it's in your consistency. It's in choosing to nourish your body daily, being mindful of what you consume, and trusting that nature supports those who respect it.
Remember, this juice isn't a magic cure or a replacement for medical advice. If you have health conditions, consult your doctor before making changes. Beetroots are high in oxalates, so be mindful if you're prone to kidney stones. True health comes from daily choices, not quick fixes. This juice is a tool, best used alongside a balanced diet, exercise, and good sleep. The real power is in the habit starting your day with intention and nourishment. Try this juice for a week, observe the changes, and let it inspire more healthy habits. Sometimes, the simplest rituals make the biggest difference.